What's going on? Welcome back to Forex Vibes. And if you don't know, my name is Makisha. And for those who don't know me, I've been trading now for a little bit over 4 years, and I've just been enjoying it. So what this whole channel is about pretty much Forex, cryptocurrency, everything like that to help you develop those multiple streams of income, which I know we're all looking for in 2021. So today's video is going to be on another question that I've been getting, which is what is the difference between Forex and stocks? Now, before I get started, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you can go ahead and click the thumbs up button. And at any point in time, everything's in the description. So if you're ready to get started with our community, or if you just have more questions, I need to schedule a one-on-one Zoom call, my information is right in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to make sure I present here so you can see my screen. And boom, here we go here. This slide here actually really explains what's the difference between Forex and stocks if you pay attention. So here it says stocks, right? And you see buildings. These buildings represent companies because that's what stocks are companies. When you come up here to Forex, you see these currencies here, all in different languages, different nationalities. That's what Forex is. Forex is currency. So think of Forex as your money. Now, what are some other differences? So like I just said, when it comes to stocks are companies, right? Stocks are companies. You're buying shares of a company, right? And currencies Forex are simply currencies. You can trade things from all over the world. So say, for instance, me being in the U.S., I wanted to go over to Mexico. I would have to exchange my U.S. dollars for pesos, right? So instead of me doing that in person, what the Forex market allows is for me to do that online. And it doesn't restrict me. I don't have to go to different countries to exchange currencies. No, I could do it right online and actually profit from it, right? Another thing as well, another difference is, when it comes to your stocks, they're companies. I'm going to keep saying it because a lot of people not hearing it yet. Stocks are companies. And what a lot of people don't realize yet is that with stocks, you can also trade it on the foreign exchange market. So I'm going to say that one more time. For those of you that love stocks and hear about stocks all the time, you can trade stocks on the Forex market. And another thing I love about it is that some stocks, say for instance, you want to get Tesla. I think Tesla is what, $500 some dollars, I think $549. We have to look up the stats. But you would have to get a whole share of that, right? Versus on the Forex side, why I say you can trade stocks on the Forex side, you can trade that without having to own a share of Tesla. Yeah, we're going to go into more detail in another video, but that is how we're profiting over here in the Forex market. So we'll come back to that. Another thing is that with the Forex market, it is 24/7 if you're trading cryptocurrency. I'm going to say that one more time because that's why I keep saying cryptocurrency, Forex, because I want you to get it in your head. I like to be repetitive and say stuff over and over again so you can get into your subconscious and you can realize that this stuff really works. So cryptocurrency, that's a big thing now, right? All of a sudden, everyone knows what Bitcoin is. And Bitcoin has been out for a while, right? And there's other cryptocurrencies. So don't get stuck on Bitcoin. There are other currencies. And you can also do this 24/7, which means there is no limit to the amount of money you can make when it comes to trading Forex. Now, on the stock side, you're trading from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time, right? Which means what? If you get off work at 5:05 p.m. Eastern time, what happens? When you put that trade in, it doesn't execute until the next day. Versus with the Forex, we're trading 24/7. So whether you work a 9 to 5, 8 to 4, 12 midnight to 6 in the morning, it does not matter. You can still leverage trading in the Forex market. Another thing, that word leverage. I love the word leverage because I love to leverage things, right? So in the Forex market, you can leverage a buy versus and a sell. What does that mean? If you're in for that Tesla stock, right, on the Forex market, and it was shooting up, right? It was shooting up. You're like, hey, I'm going to put this amount down, right? Well, we got to go into some more details on Forex because, like I said, you have to own the whole stock to trade Tesla. We'll go into some more details on it later. But say, for instance, you got in at Tesla. It was going up. It was shooting up, right? Shooting up. You're like, yes, I'm making money. This is great, right? But you don't withdraw your money, right? So say, for instance, that same Tesla stock start to shoot down because it happens, right? In stocks, we go up, down, then it consolidates and just fight between buy and selling. So when it starts to sell on the Forex market, you're leveraging that sale. Now, a lot of times people just have a hard time grasping that, but you get to leverage that sale. So whether a stock, a cryptocurrency, any type of currency, anything like that, whether it's going up or down on the Forex market, you are leveraging that. You can make money off of that. So there again is no limits to this. We have people that are in the academy that learn this skill set because no one can ever take the skill set from you. Ever, ever, ever. Once you learn this, it is yours to keep. You can pass it down to your family. You can pass it down to your loved ones, right? But once you learn this skill set, it's so powerful because there's no limit on how much money you can make a day. Say, for instance, like, hey, you know what? I just want to make $10 a day. That's possible. You say, hey, I want to make $500 a day. That is possible because there is no limit when it comes to trading in the Forex market, right? And it doesn't cost a lot to invest. That's what I love about it too. So it's definitely the most cost-effective thing I've ever seen, the best investment you can make, because it doesn't matter what type of job you work, or if you don't work, it doesn't matter because it doesn't take much to trade in the Forex market. Another thing is that with stocks, right, you only getting your money if it goes up. So if you bought Tesla at $200 went to $5, great. But say you bought it at $200 and it dropped down to $175 or $100, you're losing money, right? And I like to always tell my people that we're not in the business of losing money, right? We practice proper risk management, and we're not in the business of losing money. That's not what we do here. That's why I love the Forex market, because it gives you so many opportunities to profit, right? Another thing is that with the Forex market, it's recession proof. What does that mean, Keisha? I'm glad you asked. So the recession proof means that when everything was happening last year, I think it was the beginning of last year, right? The stock market went down for a day. It's crazy. It went down, right? It was emails everywhere and everything. I know a lot of people was losing their mind, but you know what was still moving? What was still going forward, right? The Forex market. The Forex market was still going strong. You know why? Because it deals with currencies. People will always need a way to trade and barter, and they do that with money. So your money, there we go. So your money is always moving, right? It's currency, it's always moving. So you can't really stop that. So that's what I love about the Forex market, because it is always moving. So that's why it is recession proof, and it's 24/7. Another powerful thing, right? If you just want to look at numbers, is that with the Forex market is a $6.7 trillion per day industry. I'm going to say that one more time. A $6.7 trillion per day industry. Powerful per day. So imagine, like I said, you can get $10, $500, $1,000. It doesn't matter. There's no limit to how much you can earn a day when it comes to the Forex market, because it's $6.7 trillion per day industry. Even if you're getting 1% of that, you're still living good every single day, right? With the stock market, it's billions of dollars per day, right? Now, when it comes to numbers, not very good at math, but I know that a trillion is more than a billion, right? And also, too, on this trillion side, I can trade it 24/7, right? Versus on the stock side, it's like 9 to 5. I can't do weekends. Over on the Forex side, if I'm trading cryptocurrency, because remember, money never stops. It never stops moving, right? You can trade that on the weekends. So that's what I love about it. So that is pretty much the difference between when it comes to Forex and when it comes to stocks. Very, very powerful. Let me close out of this. Very, very powerful, right? So I know you still have like a ton more questions, right? So what I want to do is, whenever you're watching this video, what you're going to do is go in the description of this video. You're going to see a way for you to schedule an appointment. Schedule your appointment so I can get on the line with you and walk you through our academy. Because the academy goes into more detail about this. The academy is going to show you exactly how you can leverage this, right? You can leverage 24/7, how you can trade cryptocurrency, how you can trade Bitcoin without having that $30,000 of Bitcoin. Like I told you, the Forex market is for all of us. People like me, people like you, the Forex market is for all of us. So I'm going to definitely show you how to do that. So it's just so much power when it comes to Forex trading that I can't really put it all in one video. So I'm going to be doing a webinar sometime next week. And of course, the recording will be up here. But like I said, make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, because every week I'll be giving you something on the Forex market, on stocks, showing you the different tools, the different AI systems. So if you don't even know how to trade or know anything about Forex, we have something that you can just use to copy and paste until you learn about it. So before you leave here today, tonight, this evening, whatever time of day it is that you're watching this, I want you to go ahead and download this app called MetaTrader 4. because that's what we use to trade in this $6.7 trillion per day industry. So go ahead and download that app. It's free. It's free. Just download it. After you download it, go ahead and schedule a call so I can show you how to use it. So that is all for today. I know that you got some type of value in this, and I know you're going to look for more information. So make sure you, like I said, subscribe, thumbs up, schedule your free consultation call. It's free. What do you have to lose? It's free, right? Just schedule your free consultation call. Also, too, it should be a link for our WhatsApp group. So if you have WhatsApp, make sure you join that group as well, because I post daily trainings in there and just a lot of phenomenal information. So that is all for today. I will see you all on next week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Dream cars, right? Because it's got to be a dream, but you got to be able to touch it. You got to be able to feel it. You got to be able to smell it, because it's coming to you, whatever it is. So whatever it is that you're dreaming for and hoping for and wishing for, go out there and find it. Find the future of it. Not very many, unless you own Toshiba, LG, and those type of things, right? If not, your TV and that Netflix and Hulu or that cable is not making you money. It's better off. Look at this.
Yeah. You saw when it was in the middle line, you don't want to trade, right? You don't want to put in there because you don't know which one is going to go up or down. So you can go to another one.
How old are you, Dravis?
14.
14?
Yep.
If it, anytime it's in the middle, I want to put buy or sell because you never know what's mystery. So a new thing that I call it, in the middle, I call it a mystery buy. So in the middle, you don't know what about it. Yeah. Okay. So then basically, oh yeah. So they have like every time frame, like 15 minutes. I go between minutes.
Alright, so I got some share my screen. So I'm going to be showing both of you all. So you see my screen?